Hi there. In this quiz you've got 12 questions all about modal verbs of deduction. Each question has a sentence with some words missing. You have to choose which words are missing from the list below. You've got 5 seconds to do this before you hear a bell, and then I'll give you the correct answer. If you repeat after me, this will help you remember the grammar and improve your pronunciation. After each question, you'll be given a grammar tip to help you with your English. If you need more time, don't forget just to press the pause button. Okay, let's go with number 1. You must be tired after that long journey. Number 2. I'm not sure. The story might be true. Number 3. They may be at the beach. It's great weather for sunbathing. Number 4. You can't be hungry. You've only just had lunch. Number 5. Don't worry about the noise next door. That will be John snoring. Number 6. This old painting could be worth a fortune. Number 7. You may have caught the virus on the plane. Number 8. He's so famous, you must have heard of him. Number 9. You did the job so quickly that you can't have done it properly. Number 10. You must be joking if you expect me to do that. Number 11. They'll be arriving in New York now. And finally, number 12. You got on the wrong plane? You cannot be serious.